Assalamualaikum friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video viewers, I will show you beautiful garden decor ideas. So I hope viewers you are enjoying my videos. So viewers, let's start today's video. So viewers, my first idea is friends. Paint garden stone. Paint stones can become colorful garden decoration. Select smooth stones and paint them with flower, butterfly, ladybug, heart, or simple pattern. You can also write small words such as welcome, love, or be happy. Place the paint stone around the plant flower beds along your garden path. Hanging flower pot. Hanging plants are a great way to add more colorful without using extra floor space. Using hanging basket or simple pots. Hanging them from a wall, wooden frame, balcony railing, or strong garden loop. Fill them with colorful flower or green plants. So viewers, my next idea is viewers, all tire planters, don't throw away all tires, paint them and turn them into colorful garden planter. You can stick 2 or 3 tires to create a tailored display. Fill them with flower and place them in an empty corner. This is a fun way to reuse all items. So friends, my next idea is viewers, friends, I hope you are enjoying my videos. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel, press the bell icon for the latest updates videos. So friends, Allah Hafiz, see you in the next video. Take care and